This is the place to be, and this is paradise when it comes to fishing.
Oh, that's a big fish. That's a big fish. Tank.
We got him up here too, baby.
By the hand, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Pow! That's what we come out here to do.
Double lay, double hook up on the snug. FLOREEL fishing.
He ain't gonna believe this. Watch out. You say we can't pull big old bass at nighttime, boy. FLOREEL fishing. Got my first, baby. What's going on, guys? The Donuts of FLOREEL fishing. If you see me bundled up a little bit, it was like 47 degrees when we woke up this morning. It's about 9 o'clock. It's still about 57. It's climbing, but on that way out, we were biting. Well, today, folks, we are out in Stuart. We brought some nice belly bones live shrimp, and we're hitting these little donks. I got 3 rods out, fishing to see if we can get some panfish, some drums, redfish, snapper, whatever decides to hit, except snook. That's done. That's closed. Anyways, I got my 3 rods out. I got a 5,000, 2 3500s. I'm ready to go. I even brought my jig rod to see if I can do a little shrimp jigging with the DOA or a Z-Man jig head. Stay tuned. I even brought Nico to sight see some fish. You on? He just keeps hitting it. There he is. He got off. Let's see, guys. Let's see. I thought he was on that time. Yeah. Ooh, he's on that time. Yes, it is. That's a good one too. What is it? Nice snapper. What'd I tell you? I told you it was snapper. Told you it was snapper. All right, guys. Yes, indeed. Made out 1 snapper. All right, hooks. Ow. And I got my shrimp. He's legal, guys. Almost 11. Put him in the cooler. First fish of the day. Right before New Year's. Oh yes. It's gonna smelling like a new year, a good year already. Let's keep it going, see if we can get some more. Just got another hit, guys. Let's go. Let's get some snappers today. I'm wondering if he took that. Nope. Come on, take it again. Come on. Let's go. Come on. There's more snappers in there, guys. Look, I just got robbed again. Yeah, we're gonna get them. Just hold on to your britches. Need up I throw right there. Let's do it, let's do it. Oh, look at that, it's already getting hit. It's already getting hit. I don't even want to let it go. Come on, come on. Come back for it. Yeah. Guys, I can't even put the rod down. They're good ones too. Got him. That's a good one. That's another good one. Another good one. Let's see. This might be a little bit short, but we're getting somewhere, guys. We're getting somewhere. Let me see.
Yeah, he's big. Probably like.
Let's see here. Yeah, he's a baby. Let's see for the hex. Yeah, he's an 8. He'll put you back, buddy. Peace. All right, let's do it again. Let's see. Let's see. Look at that, slammed. Ah, and he let go. Gosh, he let go. Gosh, he slammed that thing. Yep. Come on. Got one. This one's a good one than that. Oh yeah. Yes it is. Yes it is. Bring me them tans all day, guys. All day, give me them tans. That's the second snapper in less than 5 minutes. Let's do it. Nico's going crazy back there. He's legal. Another one in the tank. Yup. Oh. Okay. There we go. Let's get it going. Get it going. Another second snapper for the day.
What is it?
Got him. All right, that's number 3. Number 3. So we'll let him go, guys. He's a 9. Hey. Guys, I got a mud minnow here. Yeah, got him. Yeah. Oh man, I don't know what that is. Yeah, go ahead, reel them up. Guys, I put a giant, nice size mud minnow on here. Let's see what this prize is. I don't know. I really don't know, but it's huge, I think. On the 5,000 Canyon. Babe, get this gnat. He's running. He's coming up, babe. Oh, he's running. He's running. He's right here on the boat, guys. What is it? A nice, ooh, I think it's a big jack. I think. Oh, it's a nice sailcat. Yeah, okay. Let's go. And we will be eating this sailcat. Oh yeah. I personally have never had one of these sailcats, and I had a couple buddies tell me that they are great. They are great eating. So we're gonna take him home and try him out. He's a beautiful animal. He will be at around, he's around 20. Yeah, if I can get him to stop moving here. So yeah, he's about a good 20, 21. Yes indeed. 20, 21. Beautiful creature, guys. Beautiful creature. There it is. We're gonna try this guy out. I mean, everybody's saying that they're good. People are telling me, man, those things are good. So Nico says it's good. Is it good? Is this fish good, Nico? Nico, is this fish good? He's going. All right, let's do it, guys. There you have it. 2 snappers, a sailcat. Let's see what else we can get. Got him. That's a nice one. That is a nicer one. Yeah, baby. Sheepshead, yeah, yes it is, yeah. Sheepshead heaven. Yeah, he's legal, he's 12. Yes it is, yes it is. Guys, nice sheepshead. He's got some stavers on him. Nice size, good table fare. We're making out today, guys. Happy New Year. Let's get it going. Got a nice snook. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Good job. Nice snook. Alright. Good job on that. Good job. Let's see how size he is. About a 19. Almost 20. Good job. We're just having a blast. Yeah. Alright, buddy. Hey! Hey! Alright.
He hit it different.
Let's keep it going.
I thought it was a snapper because he kept going like that.
Alright guys, so past couple of days we went on some fishing on the boat, and then we went on to the surf. So the surf produced that nice little whiting, which I was hoping for some pompanos out there, but it's been really tough these past couple of days. It gets nice in the morning and really rough once it gets to the noon. But we made out with one today and a small jack. Here we have some snapper. Really good. Really good. This is that Nice Sailcat. Got him going good. And then we have a nice Sheepshead. We put him in just about whole, but he's nice. Yes indeed, 4 species of fish ready to go. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Oh, I'm so hungry already. All right guys, so we made it back to the dinner table. Once again, some rice, some veggies with some garbanzos. We got some sheep's head. We got some sailcat fish. We got snapper. And then we have some whiting from the surf trip. Yes, it is. Great variety of food. Within the first couple days, right? Ready to dig in?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do we say to all the nice folks watching us, giving us support? What do we say?
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe.